Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking travel makeup essentials. These are my makeup must-haves for all my travel, which is not much, but when I do, this is what I like to have. I don't wear a lot of makeup when I travel. I actually tend to wear less makeup than I would if I was here at my own home. Let's go ahead and start with the big boy. This is Vive regular size makeup case. First thing first, makeup brushes. I'm going to always bring makeup brushes. It's my preferred method of applying makeup. So I will take a plethora of brushes with me. Funny fact though, this most recent trip, I forgot to pack eye brushes. Huh? I really couldn't do eyeshadow the way I would have liked to done my eyeshadow because I didn't pack brushes, which is very odd for me to forget to do that, but I did. Pack at least 2 sponges and then brushes. Next, eye primer. I like to use the Vive Eye Wand. It's full coverage. It sets. Really does not budge, really good, but before it sets you can blend it out really good, so I love to use this. This is in the shade Camel. For primer, I have the Denessa. Depending on where you're at what time of the year, I like to take this just in case, but it helps kind of control any sweat. I can show you a little bit of what it can do if you take some. As you can tell, kind of right there, actually right there, right here, I'm pretty oily. If you take that primer, boom, it not only takes away the oil, but it will also prevent more oil from coming out, making your makeup last significantly longer. I have my color corrector. This is from Sephora. I just like to add a color corrector just in case there's an event or something I'm going to special that I need to kind of cancel out some of my darkness and a little bit more coverage than I normally would. Concealer, Vive. This is deep too. For complexion, I have the Vive Skin Nova Complexion Balm. This is such a nice medium to full coverage, and you can thin it out, and it just wears so naturally, so it's perfect for a vacation, because if you don't want something super heavy or anything that looks too heavy on vacation, this is such a great fit. And paired with the concealer, it's just match made in heaven. Bronzer, I use my Huda Beauty. This is a Tantor in the shade Medium. Love her down. Gives the perfect warmth to the skin and just a little bit more depth to kind of give you a little bit of a sculpted look, so I love it and will always go with me until it's finished. For powder bronzer, I have the Makeup Revolution Glow. This is in the shade Dark. Under eye and kind of setting my T-zone area, I have the Huda Beauty. This is Peach Pie. This is their Easy Bake. Really good powder. Love. It gives such perfect airbrush finish to the look. I have 2 of the Sephora Microsmooth. This one is Toffee and this one is Hazelnut. This is my all over face powder, and this one I kind of like to layer with the Easy Bake underneath it. Vive Modern Mascara. I love this because one that is waterproof or water resistant, but however it wears well throughout the day. Even when I find myself in rainier, humid situations, I find that I really enjoy using this mascara. Blushes, I like to always carry a cream and a liquid. I don't have too many powder blushes to really carry with me besides the ones I get in my Patrick Ta duo. I chose Mob Beauty. This is the M71. I pretty much take this every single time I travel. It is just a nice shade that I find wears well throughout all seasons. And then this is Faith by Rare Beauty, and I like both of them. They're kind of similar in tone. I would say the Rare Beauty has a little bit more purple to it, and the Mob Beauty has more a burgundy tone. Lip oils. I also carry a lot of lip products on me, so it's hard to say that I just pick 1 or 2 lip products to bring. I bring a plethora, but I do tend to stick a lot with lip oils. So this is the Glow Reviver. I think this is in Chocolux, and this is Summer Fridays lip oil. I just find lip oils on trips just tend to work better. There's less application time or having to fine tune it. Like pair this with a lip liner and you're good to go. And sometimes depending on the type of trip you're on, you gotta go. Like when I was on the cruise, sometimes I had to go depending on a reservation or an excursion. Pencil sharpener. You need to bring a sharpener. You need to bring a sharpener because your lip liner, you don't want to be left with like a dull lip liner or a dull eyeliner pencil if you take one. Did I pack mine? No, I did not. I forgot. And I was sad because my lip liner was definitely dull. So packed this. That was all my makeup travel essentials. Let me know. What's that? That is all my makeup travel essentials. Let me know if there's anything that you would add or anything that you saw that is in your makeup bag when you travel. I would love to hear that down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.